Hey guys, so it is 8:28. It is Memorial Day weekend, and I should not be this tired at 8:30, but a couple friends and I were up pretty late playing Smash Bros. And hanging out. So yeah, but today we are going to be playing some disc golf. Let's get ready to go. So nice out today. What's up, Trey? This is my buddy Trey. About to go play some disc golf.
Oh, yeah.
This is for you.
This is for me?
Yeah. What's up?
It actually holds that?
Yeah.
Like the whole camera?
Yeah, I just gotta figure out like the handling.
What feels comfortable to you?
Hey, do you have
That seems really awkward. I'm going to try something.
We got my boy Ricky here. We got my boy Trey. We got my boy Chris. We got my boy 47. Woo! Let's do this thing.
9 or 18? That's
So it's just really open.
Dang.
Well, it's 7 beforehand. A little bit
Oh,
through
it's
the
adult.
trees.
Okay.
Alright.
It's gonna be dope, dude.
Alright, let's do it.
Let's go.
Oh, I forgot. I forgot also. There we go. Alright, so for the
Oh, because I was
first hole
adjusting mine. Oh.
out here.
Chris, this is your hole. It's like, takes off to the left. Just throw it straight down the path.
So it goes there to the left.
Yeah, so like you see that where it opens, when it opens up.
First,
right there.
first drive. Let's go, Chris.
It's okay.
It's okay, I'm about to lose like 3 discs.
We did it.
There you go.
Great start. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Do you know how many times we did the wall?
There it is. I don't know.
I'll take it.
Why is Adam running like a crazy person?
Like this big. And your goal is to throw them into a basket that has chains on it. It's very difficult. It's very hot outside.
It
Do not recommend.
0 out of 10. Disc golf is something that we have all been doing since high school, that we kind of just do whenever we get together.
Honestly, that's really good.
There's a dog park right next to the course. Beautiful.
Are you the new David Dobrik, Josh Jameson?
Basically, yeah.
Instead of David Dobrik, it's Josh Jameson.
Hey, I get some money.
Absolutely.
Okay, you ready for this?
I'm ready. Hey. Nice shot.
That's what I'm talking about, my guy.
So we got people in front of and behind us right now. One thing's for sure, you'll definitely get your workout in with disc golf. Isn't that right, boys?
I did ask her. And she said not there.
For most of us, that was our first run back in like half a year.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah. How do you feel about that round, Trey?
I mean, it could have gone better, but for what it went pretty well.
Yeah. I think so too. Ready to go home and get this shower. This is my boy Chris.